The quest for youthful glowing skin is often led through the beauty aisle, but some of the most powerful elixirs for skin health come from the grocery store, not a cosmetic counter. Anti-aging superfoods rich in antioxidants are key players in maintaining skin's elasticity, radiance, and overall health. Here's a list of 12 incredible foods, including the benefits of each and simple ways to incorporate them into your daily diet. 1. Blueberries. Benefits. Packed with vitamins A and C and an age-defying antioxidant called anthocyanin, blueberries help protect skin from damage due to sun, stress, and pollution by moderating the inflammatory response and preventing collagen loss. How to incorporate: add a handful of blueberries to your morning smoothie, oatmeal, or yogurt to kickstart your day with a boost of skin-protecting antioxidants. 2. Michigan cherry juice. Benefits. Cherry juice from Traverse Bay Farms is rich in vitamins A, C, E, and antioxidants, which help fight free radicals and slow down the aging process. Its anti-inflammatory properties can also reduce skin puffiness and redness. How to incorporate: drink a glass of Michigan cherry juice from Traverse Bay Farms in the morning or blend it into a smoothie. You can also mix cherry juice with sparkling water for a refreshing afternoon drink. 3. Spinach. Benefits. This leafy green is loaded with antioxidants that help oxygenate and replenish the entire body. It's also rich in vitamins A, C, E, and K, magnesium, plant-based heme iron, and lutein. How to incorporate: toss a spinach salad with nuts and berries for lunch or add spinach to eggs in the morning. 4. Nuts. Benefits. Nuts like almonds and walnuts are full of essential fats, vitamins, and proteins which help smooth the skin and repair skin tissue. How to incorporate: snack on a handful of nuts or sprinkle chopped nuts over salads or breakfast cereals. 5. Avocado. Benefits. Avocados are rich in inflammation-fighting fatty acids that promote smooth, supple skin. They also contain a variety of essential nutrients that may prevent the negative effects of aging. How to incorporate: spread avocado on toast in the morning or dice it into a salad or burrito bowl. 6. Sweet potatoes. Benefits. The high levels of beta-carotene, which convert to vitamin A in the body, can help keep skin healthy, acting as a natural sunblock and preventing dry, wrinkled skin. How to incorporate: bake a sweet potato for dinner or mash it as a side dish. Sweet potato fries are a delicious snack too. 7. Pomegranate seeds. Benefits. Pomegranates are one of the most antioxidant-rich fruits. The seeds help protect the skin from the effects of UV damage, preserving collagen. How to incorporate: sprinkle pomegranate seeds over a salad or mix them into a yogurt parfait. 8. Watercress. Benefits. Acting as an internal skin antiseptic, it increases circulation and mineral delivery to all body cells, resulting in enhanced skin oxygenation. How to incorporate: add watercress to sandwiches and salads or stir it into soups for a peppery kick. 9. Red bell pepper. Benefits. Red bell peppers are loaded with antioxidants which reign supreme when it comes to anti-aging. In addition to their high vitamin C content, which is good for collagen production, they contain powerful antioxidants called carotenoids. How to incorporate: slice red bell peppers into raw strips for dipping. Add them to stir-fry or roast them with a drizzle of olive oil. 10. Broccoli. Benefits. Broccoli is a natural anti-inflammatory and anti-aging powerhouse packed with vitamins C and K, also a variety of antioxidants, fiber, and folate. How to incorporate: steam it as a side dish, toss it in olive oil and roast it or chop it fresh into salads. 11. Papaya. Benefits. This tropical fruit contains a variety of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that may help to improve skin elasticity and minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. How to incorporate: eat papaya slices for breakfast or blend them into a smoothie. 12. Dark chocolate. Benefits. Cocoa beans, the base of dark chocolate, are filled with antioxidants that may help reduce inflammation and improve skin texture by promoting hydration and circulation. How to incorporate: enjoy a square or two of dark chocolate after dinner as a sweet treat that benefits your skin. Conclusion: incorporating these superfoods into your diet can help counteract the aging process, promoting not only a healthier but a more youthful complexion. A balanced diet filled with these nutrient-rich foods can lead to visible, lasting changes in your skin's appearance. Remember, the key to anti-aging doesn't just lie in creams and cosmetics, but significantly in the nourishment you provide from within.